Hey everybody, welcome to Goes to 11's Women's Fishing Network. My name is Christine and I'm your Wednesday host. Today I'm going to be tying a salmon twitching jig that I have painted with some pretty colors. The supply list for the jigs are super easy and open to personal interpretation. So I've got some zonker strips, rabbit fur. I've got some silly legs and just a couple of pieces of crinkle flash that'll go on the tail. I've got my whip finish tool, my cool Trout scissors, some head cement, and some black thread. Literally, that's it. This is going to be easy. So any of the experienced fly tiers might want to look away for a few minutes because nothing about this is going to be smooth and experienced. I just started tying a little while ago and I'm actually super glad that I started tying such big items because when I very first started, I was trying to tie on little tiny 14 size hooks, and my big fat fingers were just not used to it, and it was actually chaotic. So this is nice. This gives a nice foundation, and they're fun, and they're just cool, and they work like a hot damn. If you haven't fished with fishing jigs, you should give it a go. So all of my jigs that I tie, I call them party girl jigs because it's a party at the river whenever we go fishing. So yeah, maybe a little silly, but I like it. It feels like a party every time I go. Just bring party girls with me. So to start off, I've got my little zonker strip tail, and I put a little bit of head cement at the very end just to kind of hold it down, give it a nice start. I tie this on with the fur facing towards the shank so that when it's in the water the fur hangs nicely. I watched, the only jig tutorial I ever watched was a Zach Copland nightmare jig tutorial, and it was awesome. It was amazing. I was sold, only needed one. So before I tie in anything else, I'm going to tie in a few of the silly legs. Them where they need to be. So, like I said, nothing about this is going to be perfect. It's one of those kind of just begin where you are and have fun with it. So I'm also going to tie in my little crinkle flash tail at the same time. Go back up towards the head, and I'm going to tie in my collar. I was always so intimidated by fly tying. I think it's because of the incredible artists that I follow. Their work is stunning and so intricate and just immaculate that it seems unattainable. And you know, this is it's not on par with anything that they do, but it is a place to start, and also having fun at the same time. So that's really important. I think that's really important. Okay, so I already messed up. Started tying in the the collar at the wrong end, so I'm going to start tying in the collar, and I'm going to wrap away from me. So that's it. Just finished putting on a little bit of head cement, and that's it. That's done. That easy. So that's her. Even managed to nail my whip finish a few times. Party girl at the river. So thanks for spending time with me, and I hope that I get to see you again next week. Don't forget to check out the Women's Fishing Network website, womensfishingnetwork.com, and the e-zine they've got going on, the online magazine, the ladies blogs, and all of the other videos. So until next time, I hope you guys get out fishing and stay safe.